Hello and welcome. We are displaying a 1967 Schwinn Fastback Ram's Horn. Great looking bike. Missing some parts here. It looks like the chain guard and the fenders. I guess when the kids were young that was not a cool thing to have on the bike. But this bike is amazing. Think about back in the day, these muscle bikes were designed to just tell everybody who you are and where you live and what you're all about. Total classic machines. Interested in selling the bike, and I'm thinking someone's out there really interested in collecting these things. I know they're worth a lot of money. Please check out the link below if you're interested in purchasing the bike. Give me a shout, and I'll have all the details below. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed the old Schwinn Stingray Fastback Special Edition.